breaking input. The BJP delegation has reached the landfill site, and my colleague Mohit is talking to Virendra Sachdeva right now.
कौन जिम्मेदार है इसका? और दिसंबर 2023 का वादा किया था अरविंद केजरीवाल ने नगर निगम चुनावों से पहले कि हम इन पहाड़ों को खत्म कर देंगे। क्या हुआ उस वादे का? सिर्फ झूठ, भ्रष्टाचार और लूट, ये अरविंद केजरीवाल सरकार का नियम है। इस कूड़े के पहाड़ के नीचे बहुत बड़ा भ्रष्टाचार है। 25 मशीनें यहाँ काम करने के लिए होनी चाहिए, आधी मशीनें खराब पड़ी हैं। क्यों अरविंद केजरीवाल नहीं देख रहे इसको? क्यों स्टैंडिंग कमेटी का निर्माण नहीं होने दे रहे? अगर स्थायी समिति का निर्माण हो जाता, नई कंपनी का टेंडर हो जाता तो यहाँ काम तेजी से बढ़ सकता था। लेकिन पैसा है, वो पैसा बोलता है।
सर, एक सवाल ये भी है कि एमसीडी के चुनाव में आम आदमी पार्टी के द्वारा इसको एक बड़ा मुद्दा बनाया गया था। कहा गया था कि इसको खत्म करेंगे, इसकी हाइट कम करेंगे, लेकिन अभी हम देख रहे हैं कि कूड़े के पहाड़ और बढ़ता जा रहा है। जिस प्रकार से हालात है, लोगों को ये समस्या है और एक तरह से हमेशा की ये समस्या गाजीपुर लैंडफिल साइट रही है।
मैं कह रहा हूँ ना, अरविंद केजरीवाल और आम आदमी पार्टी का काम है झूठ बोलना। झूठ बोलकर सत्ता में आया। दिसंबर 2023 तक हम इस पहाड़ को खत्म कर देंगे। नया पहाड़ बन गया। मैं खुद यहाँ मयूर विहार में रहता हूँ जी। मैं यहाँ की समस्या समझता हूँ। आंखों में जलन, रात में धुआं लेके सोते हैं हम लोग, लेकिन इनको इससे परवाह नहीं है। लोग मरते हैं, मरे। कोंडली, मयूर विहार, फेज 2, 1, 3 सबके सब पीड़ित हैं।
सोल्यूशन क्या है इसका?
सोल्यूशन कमिटमेंट है। जिस दिन अधिकारी ये सोच लेंगे कि हमें भ्रष्टाचार नहीं करना है और इस काम को समय के अंदर समाप्त करना है। हमने ओखला में, जब हमारे गृह मंत्री ने नया लैंडफिल साइट का प्रोजेक्ट लगाया, हमने उसमें काम करना शुरू किया। भ्रष्टाचार का काम हमने शुरू किया था, आधे से ज्यादा पहाड़ खत्म हो चुका है। जिस दिन कमिटमेंट और निष्ठा से काम करना चाहेंगे, ये पहाड़ 1 साल के अंदर खत्म हो सकता है।
So that was Virendra Sachdeva who has come over here, and we'll show you the scenes over here. Look at these scenes over here. While we see a BJP delegation has come over here, but you can still see that fire is not completely doused yet. What we are being told is that one of the fire brigade truck over there, which is there to douse the fire, it has suffered a breakdown, and that is why we see that the other fire brigade trucks are not being able to go towards that side, and you can see that they're trying to tow that particular truck towards the other side so that the fire can be doused over there. But as we speak, we still see that the flames are coming up. The fire is not doused yet, but massive politics is being played on this particular issue, where we see that how the BJP is attacking Aam Aadmi Party, saying that they came on the premise in MCD of eradicating this mess of Ghazipur landfill site, but they have not done yet. I am right now standing on this particular mountain of garbage, and while I speak, I report from here, I can see that there's continuous irritation in my eyes. It's become very difficult to breathe given the fact that how the heavy smoke has engulfed the whole area. I'll ask my camera person to show these visuals, because everybody in this country needs to see all these visuals, that what exactly is happening. On the outskirts of Delhi, the national capital, we have this huge garbage pile which in the end catches fire every year, and the people in the nearby areas are suffering. So while we speak, as I was telling you earlier, it has become very difficult to report from here because there's a complete smog that has engulfed the area. But yes, the BJP says that Aam Aadmi Party is responsible for this. Aam Aadmi Party and the official says that there are natural reasons for which this fire has broken out, but the BJP says this is due to the mismanagement of the Aam Aadmi Party in MCD. So massive politics being played on this particular issue, but in the end, people of the nearby areas are suffering due to this.
Right, so the people of the nearby area are suffering. You heard the BJP delegation as well slamming the Kejriwal government, said that they made tall promises that this tall, gigantic mountain of garbage will be moved, the dumping yard will be cleared, and that they will ensure that people living in and around this dumping yard will have a normal, healthy life. But those promises have not been fulfilled. And Sunday evening, a massive fire broke out in the dumping yard. Efforts are still on to completely douse the fire. The fire has not been doused completely. Smoke billowing from the landfill site can be seen from a distance as well. People living in the nearby areas are now complaining that they're feeling burning sensation. This definitely will have an impact on the health of the people who already have been putting up with this dump yard. People living in and around the areas have complained several times to the authorities, to the government, to the administration to take care of the situation.